Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about how to add a thousand separator in Python. If we are working with large figures and we want to add a separator to make them more readable, we can use the format function. So let's see if we have our list and with some numbers. And now we can use list comprehension and we will get our new format list. Thousand separator list. So this will be dot format, and this will be X, the current item from our list for X in our list. And now we can just print the thousand separator list. So this will be T S, and we can run our script. And here is the output. We can also use F string to add a thousand separators. Now we are going to use underscore instead of a comma as a separator. So we're just going to try the same list. So this will be our new separator list. And now we are going to use underscore for X in list one, and we are just going to print our list. And we can run our share. And here is the output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.